Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will explore the top 3 free Figma website templates for 3 different and most useful systems. So let's get started. The first design in our list is Sales Management System. It's fully customizable design. This design helps you to track your sales in every aspect. The best part is it's completely free for everyone. You can easily make changes in it on your own interest. The second is Healthcare Management System. This system is always in high demand. It's free, fully customizable design, perfect for health professionals and organizations. And the third and the last one is Project Management System. If you are a student, then this design will help you to building your college projects. It's user friendly and adaptable to your requirements. If you think this video is helpful for you, then like, comment and share this video. And also subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.